Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital to a bigger one. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay, boom 1000 had been on downtrend for a very long time. I'm using 3M trend Milka trading indicator. I'm on 5-minute time frame. This had been on a very it has been on a very strong downtrend for a very long time, and of course it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so except if it's unable to break out below the support zone, that is when it will go back on a buy trend. Okay, so this is very important. So this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, except if it is unable to break out above the support zone, that is when it will go back on a buy trend. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500. This had been on uptrend for a very long time, but was unable to break out above this resistance zone, and it's trying to go back on downtrend, so it is selling at the moment. Okay, so we expect more of a selling opportunity, most especially once it breaks out below this support zone. Okay, so we expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash. Let's check it out right away. So this is crash 1000, and of course crash 1000, after getting to the support zone, it went on buy trend, and it is still buying at the moment, even though it is having a pullback right now, but it is still going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. Crash 500 had been more of a downtrend than an uptrend, and of course got to this region, had a major pullback and came down again. Still it went for another pullback around there. So if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then definitely it's going to buy more. At the moment it is still buying, but that is if it does not break out below the support zone. If it breaks out below the support zone, then it's going to sell more, so you should take note of that. Okay, so the next asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is V75. V75 had been more of a downtrend for a very long time, and it is still selling at the moment. So it is at the support zone. If it's unable to break out below it, it will go back on buy trend, but for now it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared here, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.